Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of a private sanctuary right in your own backyard? A magical escape where the worries of the world simply melt away? Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform ordinary backyards into extraordinary landscapes. Today, we are diving into one of the most mesmerizing and luxurious trends in modern landscaping: enclosed garden structures. Whether you want to escape the elements, create a private sanctuary, or simply add a jaw-dropping focal point to your property, these structures are the ultimate way to redefine your outdoor space. Stick around as we reveal how these beautiful spaces can completely transform your lifestyle and your home. An enclosed garden structure is a beautifully designed, partially or fully covered outdoor room, such as a glass greenhouse, an elegant solarium, an intricate gazebo, or a modern louvered pergola, that bridges the gap between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Choosing an enclosed structure allows you to experience nature without being at the mercy of unpredictable weather, harsh winds, or annoying insects. It extends your living space into the outdoors, giving you a dedicated area for morning coffee, yoga, an art studio, or evening entertaining all year round. Beyond the incredible lifestyle upgrade, these structures add massive architectural interest, structure, and visual depth to your landscape, significantly boosting your home's curb appeal and overall property value. An enclosed pergola, pavilion, or other outdoor structure can provide a private retreat in your own backyard. Create a cozy spot to relax with a book, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the view of your garden. These garden structure ideas form a pretty focal point that invites relaxation. One, garden structure for outdoor dining. Create a warm and inviting space for outdoor dining by building an enclosed garden structure. Setting a table and chairs beneath a pergola can instantly transform all of your meals into elegant outdoor events. The pergola acts like an open-air room, offering shade throughout the day. For added privacy and ambience, consider hanging curtains on the sides and stringing up lights overhead to cast a cozy, welcoming glow at night. 2. Backyard greenhouse. A greenhouse is a perfect addition for any gardening enthusiasts. It lets you start seedlings, protect delicate flowers, and even grow plants when they are out of season. By building a small-scale version in your backyard, you can instantly elevate your gardening game. Greenhouse kits make it simple to assemble one yourself, making this project accessible for any and all skill levels. 3. Trellis garden shed. A trellis garden shed offers a nice, refreshing blend of functionality and style. By combining a traditional shed with trellises, you create an airy space that invites fresh air and cool breezes. This convenient shed can double as a potting shed, complete with trellis screens as walls and a slatted roof to gently filter sunlight. It's an ideal spot for potting, storing gardening tools, and providing shade for shade-loving plants. 4. Gazebo garden structure ideas. Freestanding metal gazebos offer an affordable option for adding an enclosed garden structure to your backyard. Opt for a gazebo with a canopy to shield you from the harsh summer sun, then hang curtains around the sides for extra privacy. Placing patio furniture inside can create a charming dining area or a cozy workspace perfect for enjoying the outdoors comfortably whenever you need some fresh air. 5. Classic pergola structure. Classic columns lend a charming, elegant touch to this attached pergola, which serves as a dining area in front of the pool house. With an adjacent outdoor cooking space, alfresco dining becomes both convenient and delightful. A pergola with open sides provides shelter from the elements while maintaining a visual and physical connection with the surrounding outdoor living areas. 6. Screened gazebo garden structure. Nestled at the corner of a deck, this gorgeous screened gazebo creates a perfect outdoor dining spot shielded from both the sun and pesky insects. Designed with strategically placed windows, it offers delightful views of the landscape around it. The see-through screening maintains clear vistas while effectively keeping bugs at bay. 7. Private Garden Pavilion. Craft an extraordinary private retreat by situating a pavilion at the edge of your deck. This beautiful, enclosed garden structure includes sliding glass doors and full-length curtains, allowing you to create a separate room as desired. When open, the doors and curtains help the pavilion blend seamlessly into the deck, expanding your outdoor living space so there's more room to relax. 8. Enclosed garden structures for small yards. An enclosed garden structure can make a small yard feel more spacious. This charming lath house snugly fits on the patio, transforming it into a cozy dining area that adds valuable function to the space. Its peaked roof cleverly screens the view of neighboring structures, enhancing privacy and aesthetics within the yard. 9. Lath house garden structure. Featuring an open grid reminiscent of window muntins, this gorgeous lath house maintains clear views of your garden. The lath pattern on the roof is tighter and more linear than on the walls, a common trait that offers additional shade while encouraging breezes to circulate freely. This clever design ensures comfort and openness in your outdoor space. 10. Insect-resistant enclosed garden structure. Insect protection is crucial in waterfront locations, making screen spaces particularly beneficial in the summer months. If your structure is positioned on a wooden deck, make sure that the screen fabric is secured beneath the floor planks to seal any gaps. This enclosed garden structure offers serene waterfront views while keeping pesky bugs away during your outdoor dining, entertaining, or relaxation activities. 11. Elegant pavilion garden structure. This elegant pavilion, with its striking columns, traditional entry door, and window screens, offers robust elemental protection. The enclosed garden structure serves as a refined retreat, effectively shielding you from sun, rain, and insects so you can really relax. The brick paver approach and white paint enhance its classic and formal appearance, synonymous with timeless pavilion design. 12. Well-lit summerhouse. Equipped with electricity, an enclosed garden structure effortlessly transforms into a favorite gathering place after dark. This stunning garden structure, featuring lighting, lath walls, and a shake roof, offers enjoyment well into the evening. The interior's light blue ceiling adds a whimsical, surprising touch to the cozy ambience. 13. Garden shed ideas. A new garden shed doubles as an opportunity to infuse your backyard with unique character. This beautiful enclosed structure boasts rich architectural details, like a cross-gabled roof and an entry archway that highlights a deep red, salvaged door. Asymmetrical landscaping and gracefully curved porch columns bring a touch of whimsy and charm to its otherwise simple symmetry. 14. Poolside garden structure. Screens offer more than just defense against insects and birds. They also filter sunlight and boost privacy. This stylish, screened poolside pavilion could serve as a sleeping porch on balmy summer nights, providing an inviting spot to rest. During the heat of the afternoon, it offers a cool, shaded retreat perfect for relaxation alone or with loved ones. 15. Screened garden shed. When planning the roof of your enclosed outdoor structure, consider practicality as well as aesthetics. For example, in this screen room, the eaves extend beyond the siding, creating a visually appealing and functional design. The convenient overhangs protect the interior and the rough sawn siding from moisture, ensuring dryness and durability. Bringing an enclosed structure into your garden layout isn't just about adding 4 walls and a roof to your lawn. It is about intentionally designing a space that brings you closer to nature while offering the comfort of home. From cozy glass tea houses surrounded by lush greenery to sleek, modern pavilions, the possibilities are truly endless. With the right styling, lighting, and plant choices, your enclosed garden structure will quickly become the most popular and loved spot on your entire property. If you are ready to elevate your backyard design, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for your weekly dose of landscaping inspiration. Drop a comment down below and let us know, which type of enclosed garden structure would you build in your dream yard? Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive into beautiful home and garden transformations. See you in the next video.